friends, Running Kimono here. We have a curbside video, and this is for the week of March the 3rd to the 9th, and a little bit of smoke and flames coming off of this video. And I know a lot of you enjoy curbside shopping, where you order the stuff through your cell phone, desktop computer, tablet, through the Walgreens app. You drive to the store, you're hitting the button on the left-hand side with the red check, drive into the store, picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it really helps me out and the channel if you could just take a quick second and like the video. Thank you so much in advance, guys. Let's just say you're the kind of shopper that likes to be in store. You like the register rewards, which is in store only to get those little paper coupons, and you're just not about technology, or this isn't your thing. Please watch yesterday's video. I will link it at the very end. We have $1.25 Huggies and cheap Olay bar soap. It's a great week over at Walgreens. Now, many of you that did the exact same deal as I yesterday, there's one $2 rebate for the Huggies pull-up, so you'll get an extra $2 back if you have your receipt. So apply for that, and thank you to everybody who shared that little piece of information. Much appreciated. So with the 10 back when you spend 40 on baby, it's this week only. It's a one-time use, this booster, and it's actually working in concert with a lot of the clearance items. Definitely open up your Walgreens app and scan it to make sure that the little sign is appearing below the item saying, earn 10 when you spend 40. Baby merchandise, and it's pretty easy to do with the app. Hopefully your store has a pretty good signal, and it's a lot of stuff that's on clearance, guys. So if what I'm showing you baby wise it's just not what you want to buy, definitely look at the clearance in store. That might be the easier way to go. Alternatively, you can always do it from the comforts of your home online. In the search bar, just type in baby clearance and there's a whole bunch of stuff. And see at the bottom there where it says 10 back when you spend 40, how those little messages are popping up. That's what you're looking for, so you're picking up the right stuff. So the first two deals we're going to look at involve baby items. So deal number one, we need our two best friends loaded. 7 back when you spend 40 on general merchandise, and 10 back when you spend 40 on baby. So what we're going to do for this basket is we're going to grab one of these big mama boxes, the size 5 of the Loves, for $17.99. If you remember a couple weeks back, we got this guy, which is a $5 back manufacturer coupon. I don't think every account got one, but if you got one, you can use it potentially for this deal. And then we're going to grab 2 bags of the pull-ups for $21. We also have that IBOTTA rebate as well, let's not forget. And we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so please make sure you have that guy loaded. The item we're going to throw into this basket is some Walgreens baby wipes for $2.99, just to get the math to balance. Looking at what's coming off here, we have a $5 for the Loves and a $3 for the pull-ups. I could not get WAG 10 to balance with this. The overall basket is $41.98, free curbside pickup, $8 off, $33.98, pay with your debit card, and you're getting back $17.49. And make sure you get a receipt, so when you are checking out, ask the cashier to run it through a regular register, not with the hands held, so you can get an actual physical receipt. $2 back from IBOTTA. It makes this basket really great if you're looking for diapers specifically. Okay, deal number 2, we need our 2 best friends loaded. The 7 back when you spend 40 and the 10 back when you spend 40 on baby. These are also of a one-time use, guys, so pick and choose wisely which deal you prefer to do. We're going to grab one of these 5-count 78 diapers for $33.99. Load the following, this $5 manufacturer, and there's also an IVC coupon I'll show you here, but we balance the math to make sure it works, which is a $5 off IVC. That's $10 off if you think about it, between the IVC and the digital. We're also going to grab these little wipes for $14.99. So, that's just really nice. And guess what? We have a $2 digital to go with. So make sure you have that guy loaded. Now, just to show you a balancing act here, $5 off, $2 off, $5 off. That's $12 off on this basket if you love Pampers. So just showing you the overall total here, it is $48.98, $5 IVC, free curbside pickup, tax, $7 coming off, pay $39.62 with your debit card, and then you're getting back $17.48. Friend of mine in Lansing, Becca, did this deal in store yesterday. She got back an extra $5 P&G register reward. It might be more advantageous to try this one in store if you're adventurous, because there is no WAG 10 going on here. That's just an alternative deal. And I don't know if I'm repeating myself, but pay with your debit card for the balance as you're juggling 2 boosters. Okay, so this next deal is all about the supplements. I was looking at some vitamins and this goofy thing popped up of spend 30, get back 7. And I'm like, I will definitely take advantage of that. So something I really like is a gummy consistency vitamin. You can get 2 of them. $21.99, BOGO 50% off. Like, that's even savings right there. But this is a 6-month supply of multivitamins. We have this, which is an 8 off of 2. If you are a 1-a-day user, you know the value there. And you can mix and match the men and women's if you want, like 1 men, 1 women's if you wish. To get the math to balance to $40, I'm also going to throw in 4 of these Hershey's Milkalicious because IBOTTA is giving back 40 cents for each. So I mean that's something, you know, it's $1.60, and so you're going to have to make sure you get a receipt when you're checking out. When you do your curbside pickup. And then the final item we're going to grab is this double pack of the Airwick plugs for $6.49 because we have a $4 digital coupon that's attaching to those oils. So that is really fantastic. Looking at the overall math here, what's coming off, $8 for the 1-a-day, $4 for the Airwick, and $3.15 for WAG 10. The overall basket is $43.47, and we have $3.15 coming off with WAG 10. We're still at that $40 mark because I have the booster on my account of spend 40, get back 7. So I'm still in that place. I have 37 cents in tax, $12 in manufacturers coming off. With my debit card, I'm paying $28.69, getting back $14 in Walgreens cash, 7 for my booster, and 7 for spending 30 on vitamin supplements. Unfortunately, no IBOTTA rebates for this guy as of yet. Remember to pay with your debit card for the balance as you have a spend offer of spend 30 to get back 7 on vitamins and the booster. When you go to the store, make sure if you get the Hershey's chocolate bars to ask the cashier to run your order through a regular register so you can get your receipt for IBOTTA. Smile, ask very nicely, and they'll be like, absolutely. Okay, so the final deal I have prepared for you is just a quick $10 basket. We're going to grab 3 of the General Mills cereal for $7. And we have a digital coupon, which is $1 off of 2. So make sure you have that guy loaded for some extra savings. And then we're also going to throw into this basket a Clorox toilet bowl cleaner for $3.79. And then we have a $1 digital that showed up yesterday. That's a really great coupon. So make sure you have it loaded. Do love this one. And then we're also going to throw in one of the double packs of the Airwick oils for $6.49. And you guessed it, we have that $4 digital. So we're going to have this guy loaded for extra savings. To show you what's coming off in the little breakdown shakedown, we have $1 for General Mills, $1 for Clorox, 4 for Airwick, 53 cents from WAG 10. The overall basket for this is $17.28. 53 cents melting off with WAG 10, free curbside pickup, tax $6, $11.34. If you may have $10 in Walgreens cash, use 10 and pay $1.34 and call this a very good basket. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.